Welcome back. We have something special in the detailing garage today. I got my hands on a special product, GardX protection. I didn't really find any videos on YouTube about it, so I thought, hey, let's make one, maybe it helps somebody. So what it is, it's a sealant, but it's a two-stage sealant. So this is a pre-sealant, and then there is a stage 2. So this is the second part. So you apply the first one, you let it haze, so they say. Then you apply this one, and after 15 minutes you buff off. So I said it's special because you can't really buy it in the store. I got this from BMW dealership, so you can't really buy it. So if you got your hands on one of these, maybe this video will help you. That's why I want to make it. So we're gonna apply it here on the gray Prius. It's a daily driver. We already washed it, we clayed it, we decontaminated. The paint is really good condition, so we didn't polish it. It was polished before, so we don't want to stress the paint. So we're gonna apply this sealant on it, and I'm very curious about its life and how easy it is to use. Instructions are really simple. So shake the bottle like usual. We're gonna use a microfiber applicator. We're gonna apply the first one, then we let it haze, then we're gonna apply the second one, and we're gonna buff it off. Well, let's get to work. Let's see how this works. So I don't know if you can see, we applied the first one in a crosshatch pattern. It's already hazing up. So it's actually a liquid. It's not solid. It's a little tricky to put it on the sponge. And it has a strong smell. I guess it creates like some kind of bed for the next step. I don't know. It has a really strong smell. Well, let's let it haze up a little more and then apply the second one. Alright, second one complete. Actually the second one, it's yellow. It's a little more solid than the first one, and it has an interesting smell too. I used a different microfiber applicator. I didn't want to cross-contaminate. I don't know if I can use the same one, so I used a different one for the second one. I guess I should close the bottle. Actually it says that not for retail sale. Oh, now I see. For professional application only. Use the contents immediately. So does this mean that once open it's gone? I don't think so. But I guess you should seal it good like any other product. We're gonna wait 15 minutes, then we're gonna buff it off. Let's see how it goes. So it's been 15 minutes. I buffed it off. It came out really nice. It comes off really easily, like exactly like a wax. I mean, I think it's even more easier than a wax to buff off. Yeah, even easier than that. I mentioned that you should cover up the trim because it stains it. Yeah, I can confirm that. So as you can see, it looks really good. So we're gonna do the whole car, and then we're gonna put it to the test. So I'm not gonna wait panel by panel because that's gonna take a long time. I guess I can put it on the whole car in 15 minutes, and then we just buff it off. Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. So we save time. Well, the first one, I can say a little bit goes a long way. I applied it once on the sponge and it did the whole roof. Well, the second one is more tricky. You need to apply a lot more of this. So, can you do the whole car at once? Well, you can, but with a little trick. Because the first one hazes up so fast, so you can't move on to the next panel. You have to apply the second one and then move to the next panel. Then you're gonna do the first step the second step, and then move to another panel. And that gives you, like, that 15-minute window will give you time to do the whole car, but that's how you're gonna do it, step by step. Finally, we are done with the whole car. Came out really nice. So, questions. Can you put it on the headlights, on taillights? Yes, you can put it. Can you put it on the windows? Yeah, you can put the sealant on the windows. It's like any other sealant. It will come off very easily. Just the trim is a tricky one. Don't put it on the trim. You can put it on the windows. You can put them on the taillights, on the headlights. Can you leave it more than 15 minutes? Yes, you can. I mean, it's no problem if you leave it more. I guess you will not leave it an hour, but you can leave it 20 minutes or half an hour, no problem. It still comes off really nicely. So it is user friendly. It's not a ceramic coating, so you don't have to stress about it. Well, it definitely has a nice shine. And it's really smooth. Okay, so that's it for today. This is GardX protection. See you in a week when we test it. If it lasts. Was the water weeding, water sheeting? Let's see how long it will last on the paint. See ya in a week, guys.